In this video, we're going to learn about database discovery and design steps. So when designing a database from scratch, database designers will look at old records, Excel spreadsheets, or even interview with potential database users to get an idea of what entities, relationships, and attributes to put together. Most entities end up being nouns like a person, place, or thing, and relationships are verbs like action words, and attributes are nouns that describe the entity. And once all the ideas come together, they make an ER diagram before they start implementing the database. And once you start designing the database, there's some standard naming conventions to follow. Entity names are singular nouns, for example, artist rather than artist. Relationships are in the form Entity-Verb-OtherEntity, for example, Artist-SangBy-Song or album contains song. And so make the verb sound present tense and not past tense or passive. For example, it's not good naming convention to name your relationship Artist-SangBy-Song. Instead, you want it to be Artist-Sings-Song. Attribute names have the form entity qualifier type, such as artist first name. And the qualifier describes what the attribute means. Also, you shouldn't have the table's name in the name of an attribute. If you have a product table, don't name the attributes like product name or product description. Just call it name and description. When choosing attribute names, they should be singular. If there are several options to choose from when naming an entity, relationship, or attribute, then choose the best one as the official name. Document all the names of your entities, synonyms, and descriptions in the data glossary or dictionary.